Hey everyone, just a quick video again on Argo blockchain charts.
Yeah, coincidence. Yeah, coincidence. Yeah, coincidence. Something that happens by chance, I think not.
What's crack everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Damien. For anyone new to the channel, we cover Argo blockchain, which is a blockchain miner, and this is just a video on the chart action that we've seen. So the previous video, and I'll share the link to that previous video, I'd done the whole earnings call. The earnings call, in my opinion, was very good. The whole call is there for your viewing pleasure. A lot of people appreciating that I've uploaded the whole video there, and apologies. I was eating a sandwich midway through that. You don't hear anything, but a few people have had a bit of a laugh. This is the video here, actually. It's the longest video that I've ever put out, but like I said, the majority of it, 20 minutes of it, is the actual earnings call itself. So you can check that out, and I've done chapters there to make it a bit easier for you. But what I want to actually show you is this. Got a lot of nonsense. So why is it going down if it's so great when all crypto miners are up? I'll answer that in a moment. This is the real one that takes me to the fair. Jimbo quotes, why in the hell would they leave the OTC in place and create a new listing on the NASDAQ? Looks like they screwed Arbkf holders, me being one of them. Arbkf has just set their, like a dead piece of meat. Stupid play in my book. See what the blah 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 went. Right, could someone explain the logic? Anybody, I'm anybody, replied to him. They pretty much mirror each other, which I've talked about many times on the channel. What's frustrating is people leave these comments but don't actually watch any of the videos, apparently. But anyway, they pretty much mirror each other, so not sure what the issue is here. If anything, Arbkf out of the three tickers is doing the best, and it is, which we'll get into in a moment. Up 9% over the past 5 days versus 7.6 and 5.14. I thought maybe I'll do an Arbk chart review. Again, they all mirror each other. They're all roughly the same. The only difference is price, the market, and times. Obviously, LSE will be on a different time zone. Exchange rates. Convert all that, roughly, you'll see the similar gains. Most people that watch the channel are fully supporting the same thing that I keep banging on about, but there is a lot of people out there that clearly, well, I'll not say the word that I'm thinking, but let's just look at this. Arbk then is up 5.4%. And the Arbk, the one that he is crying about, the one that he feels that he is being losing out massively on, is ironically up nearly 7%. So I know which one I would prefer to have held over the last week, but if we strip it out, over the month, 4.32%. We switch it to LSE, which is going to be the least similar because of the exchange rates, because of the different time zones, all of that. What is the ARB ticker symbol up? 4.54. So I'm not lying when I say that these things mirror. They might change on a given day because of the things that we just talked about, but generally speaking, these things mirror each other. And why do they mirror each other? Because they are the same effing thing. So today I'm going to look at Arbkf stock chart, just because my friend feels really hard done by. So today it's down 0.6%. We can see that a buy symbol has come in on the 2nd of November. We had crossed over in the 9-day moving average. In my last video, I did say that it's now looking like a bullish sign. We'd crossed over, we're down. Now we are right on the tipping point of the 9-day moving average. So to me, if I was opening up a position right now, it still looks quite bullish. However, I would still be a bit more patient because this could close and we could fall below the 9-day moving average, and I only trend on the right side of it. The Bollinger Bands show that it's roughly in the middle. MACD looks reasonably well. If we go to the 4-hour chart then, just to see how the kind of day is reacting, as you can see, we have fell below the 9-day moving average and the MACD is now starting to go down. But the last recent strength is showing a buy symbol. Based on their earnings report, I am content with ARB. I actually bought more on the back of their earnings because that showed to me strength. I normally use the charts, but when there's good fundamental catalysts out there, and I was very happy with Argo blockchain and the way that they did earnings, so I threw caution to the wind and I just bought some more. We can see that we've had red candlesticks, but we're just above the 9-day moving average. But because they're red candlesticks, even though we have a buy symbol on the day chart, I still wouldn't be buying at those prices. However, like I said, I did top up, so my intentions of buying anytime soon are unlikely. I would be waiting for this level, which I previously said that would be my top up point, which is 110. So if you're thinking about buying Argo blockchain, I wouldn't be against opening a position at these prices. I really think, you know, you're splitting hairs. £1.25 versus £1.10. For example, you know, it's not a massive difference in price there. I'll maybe start phasing in your money. That's always my approach. But that's really it. I just, it's not a lot happening. That's why I'm not doing these videos every day. I'm just going to keep maybe doing them twice a week. But if you want to get bullish, we could say this. There's your shoulder. There's your head. And possibly a shoulder is developing, and we know where that goes. That is an inverse head and shoulders pattern, potentially on the go, and I wouldn't be surprised if it is, because we know that we have resistance in and around the 110. That to me would bring it down. So if it does go to 110, I'm buying on the dream that it's an inverse head and shoulders and it's going to throw it up. But realistically, with the amount of shorting, with the amount of volatility in Bitcoin and just that crypto space in general, anything can happen. If you have found the video informative, please like, subscribe, help me grow the channel. If you're interested in free crypto, for example, there's links down there for COINBASE. If you're interested in free shares to get on the Argo blockchain dream, you can also get free shares on free trade there. And if you would like to support the channel, feel free to do so through buymeacoffee.com. And all I can see is my little wee one running about there. I'm going to go and play with them now. I'll catch you in the next video, guys. Peace.
Yeah. Coincidence. Yeah. Coincidence. Yeah. Coincidence.